safety training seminars in Davis downtown. Our address is 508 2nd Street in Regency Square. You can take the elevator or the stairs to the 2nd floor. Once you get to the 2nd floor, Safety Training Seminars is in Suite 208, Room D. When you exit the elevator, take a left, and Safety Training Seminars is the first room on your right side. If you've taken the stairs, it will be straight ahead. Enter the code that was provided to you on the keypad here. Once inside, you can use Station A or Station B to log in and begin your RQI skill test.